Okay, so you can see that it's starting to thicken up. I'm gonna hang out with you for a second because I want you to see the thickness that I get it to. But if you remember, this started as like a watery thing because when you first get it out of the blender, it's very watery. You gotta let the tapioca starch work its magic. But I like to make this as thick as possible because it thins out over time, and I'm not really sure why, but it definitely does. So you can see it's getting thicker. Sorry that you just have to hang out and like listen to my ambient rambling. Oh, look at that. We're getting there. It's delicious. Trust me. Oh, you know what I forgot to mention? Hold on, let me flip this for a second. How do I flip this? Hello? Okay, well, apparently I don't know how to flip the orientation, so you just get to listen to my voice. So if you want to add some sweetener, like some maple syrup or some agave nectar or even honey, actually, you know, I probably wouldn't do honey just because I know that you can't use it for kombucha because it has like weird microbes in it that could potentially kill your probiotics. So I'm thinking it's probably the same way for the yogurt. So maybe do your research on that. I can't eat honey anyway because it's not vegan, so I don't have to worry about it, but maybe don't use honey. Anyway, but if you want to add sweetener, you can. I prefer it plain, so I don't, but if you want to, by all means do it. Okay, this is taking a lot longer to thicken up than I thought it was going to. Yeah. So you want it to be about this consistency. And then what we're going to do, I'm going to pause this for a second. I have this Loverly plastic bowl. Again, you cannot use metal now. You can't. Do not use metal. You're going to kill your probiotics if you do. So put it in a plastic bowl. We're going to just pour it in, and then we need to let it cool to where it's below 100 degrees Fahrenheit. I have a thermometer, so that's really handy. If you don't, I would say leave it for about an hour, maybe 2. It's the same idea with kombucha, because if we put in our probiotics too early, it's going to kill them, and that'll be sad because we don't want to do that. But so you'll want it about this consistency. You're looking for actual yogurt consistency because it's not going to thicken up very much after this. And then once it's cooled, we'll add in our probiotics and we'll do the next step. But for now, here's where we're at.